Praise the Lord, everyone. I'm District Elder Yolanda Hunt. I am the pastor of the Rehoboth Apostolic Worship Center in Chicago, Illinois. I'm also the chair of the Illinois District Council. Listen, I'm reaching out because I'm excited about this summer's convention. The Pentecostal Assemblies of the World's 2018 convention this summer is going to be tremendous. The dates of the convention are August the 4th through the 11th, and it will be held in the city of Atlanta in the state of Georgia. The convention has been prepared with you in mind. I pray that you've considered coming. If you haven't, give it thought and make a decision to come. Have you registered? If you have not registered, you need to do so. Go to pawe.org and you may register. The details of the convention will be there as well. I pray that you are coming. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. If you see me in the hallway, say, praise him, Pastor Hunt. Also, let me say this. The sessions have been prepared with you in mind. Don't miss it. The Lord will meet you there, is my prayer. God bless you.